Hello my students, today I will show you a very simple or basic practical for class 10th and 12th both. This is hibiscus flower. When you have to dissect it, first of all you have to dip it into a tap water or maybe distilled water. This is hibiscus. It also known as China rose in other areas. This flower have a very unique benefit. It is a best example of bisexual flower because it having the both sex organ of female and male. The bisexual flower is referred from that flower which having male flower part, that is androecium, and the female part, that is gynoecium. When a flower consisting this both gametic parts, it is known as bisexual flower. And the reason of hibiscus to choose for a basic experiment for class 10th and 12th, this is because it can be easily provided at your areas. This is dissection box. Dissection box having some units, the having scissor, needle and something other things, but today we are only choosing from this box, that is forceps. This is forceps. This is the alligator forceps and this is the flat forceps. Now we have to use this both forceps, as well as if we want to know the anatomy of this flower, we also use this watch glass. This watch glass, whenever the dissection part of the flower, you have to put it in the watch glass and add a saffron in, then you can easily visualize it under a compound microscope. If we talk about the part of hibiscus flower, you can see this. This is the petals. Petals are very colorful, and this is the male part of the flower, known as androecium or stamen. This green part is the receptacle. This part is the receptacle, and this is the thalamus. Thalamus is that part where the all over the rolls of the flower are seated. Okay, let's dissect it. First of all, you have to choose your alligator forceps.